All right, good morning. Saturday, July the 10th, 2021. Just after 6 a.m. Sun's just coming up. We're on our way up to storage to pick up the 73 Triumph TR6 as we're on a club drive today with the Toronto Triumph Club going around Lake Simcoe. Geez, a wee bit foggy to start the morning. It's 12 degrees, actually showing 10 degrees Celsius this morning. And we're heading up to a high of 25. One of the rare days up here where it's not going to be raining, at least for the next week. I think it's calling for rain every day, Monday through Friday next week. So the Triumph gods are with us today, and looks like we're going to have a good day of driving ahead of us. Alright, TR6 is out of storage and warming up. Started up no problem. So we'll put the top down when we get home. Still a little bit chilly out, so a nice ride home, then we'll get packed up for our trip and hit the road. Alright, now 7:45, and we're just about to head out on the trip around Lake Simcoe. It's about a 160-mile drive, then that's about 275 kilometers return trip. So we're all packed. We've got our video equipment with us, so we'll take a little bit of video along the way. Hopefully we won't get lost. And it's a poker run today, so I'll be picking up poker cards along the way. Best hand wins a free burger, I think, at one of our stops. So hopefully I'm looking forward to having a winning hand and getting a free lunch on behalf of the club. All right, guys, we'll pick it up once we meet some of the other cars at the Home Depot in Richmond Hill. All right, got a nice lineup of Triumphs here, starting with the TR3A, TR4, but it's got a surprise on this one. This is a 2.5 liter 6, I believe, in this car. TR8. 6, nice 250. It's a nice Topaz 6. It's a 76. Nice wires. Nice Spitfires. Group leader for today's drive. 73 TR6. I've shown you this car before. Runs triple Webers. Earlier TR3. Nice Stag. TR4A. And an MGA. We'll put them at the back. Just kidding.
There's no arrow. Oh. My bad. All right.
Well, we can figure that out.
You're in group. Dick, what cards did you pull?
What group are we in?
We're in first all of them. First all the good cards.
We're in first group.
First group. First group. First group. You're first up.
Ah.
First group. Yeah.
All right, there's the first card. Not a great one for the poker run, so my free lunch is not looking so good already. Can't remember what I got for my first card.
25.
my rotten poker hand turned out to be okay, since there was a wild card here at the Weber's barbecue stop where we're at, and the wild card was a 7. So I did okay, so I've got my $10 for lunch, and I'm quite happy. All right, we're at our lunch stop, so I figured we've got all of the cars from both groups here, so I figured we'd go through the lineup again, starting with the MGA this time.
Deviate off of Ridge Road, and he's going to take us down along the lakeshore for a little while, and we'll get back onto Ridge Road. Okay? Robin?